Mai-Z the MouseBot, designed by Kitronik, is a programmable robot that helps children connect coding with real-world outcomes through hands-on, engaging learning experiences. Built to work with a microbit and programmed in Purple Mash with free Code Mai-Z, children can see their code come to life as the robot moves, responds to sensors, and completes the pre-made challenges. Kitronik have produced purple Mai-Z bots especially for Purple Mash that schools can order through the Too Simple website, either as a group set of 6 Mai-Z bots or a class set of 11. Each set comes with a complete set of USB-C charging leads, double-sided A1 map line following posters, 36-piece floor tiles, including 12 location tiles and 24 road tiles, A2 features poster, Sharpies for drawing shapes, and table tennis balls that Mai-Z can push along as she moves. Each Mai-Z set also comes with a complete Purple Mash teaching and support package, including access to Mai-Z MouseBot in 2 code, additional Key Stage 1 and Key Stage 2 units in the computing scheme of work with lesson plans, slideshows, and classroom activities, and a dedicated CPD session. Let's have a look at Mai-Z in 2 code now and see how children can program the Mai-Z bot. When you launch 2 Code Mai-Z, children can create their own programs for Mai-Z to follow using the free code mode or choose from the activities within the 7 collections of pre-made challenges. The collections of challenges are a great place to start to build an understanding of what Mai-Z can do by programming its different functionalities. Children can program Mai-Z to follow paths, dance and play music, draw shapes, navigate around obstacles, use the built-in sensors for cliff detection, follow a line, and use another microbit as a radio control to drive Mai-Z around. The challenges each have an opening screen which children can play to show what Mai-Z needs to do in this challenge, and then they drag the code blocks into the code window to program Mai-Z's movements. You can view the split window, or you can view just the code window or just the design window in the screen. Once children have programmed the commands, they can run their code, check that they've completed the challenge, and if not, debug the challenge as necessary, and rerun the code for Mai-Z to complete the challenge. Children can then transfer their program to a microbit, insert the microbit inside Mai-Z, or even better, have the microbit already in place in Mai-Z, and connect the microbit to a laptop using the micro USB lead. Once the transfer is completed and Mai-Z is placed down on a flat surface, the sensors on the underside of Mai-Z will recognize that it's on a surface, and Mai-Z will begin moving as programmed. Children can press the reset button on the back of the microbit inside Mai-Z, reposition the robot to a starting position, and it will run the program again. Mai-Z only starts moving when the sensors recognize that she's on a surface. Each collection of activities enables children to program different functionalities of Mai-Z. Children follow the instructions given within each challenge, then test their programs in the simulator, and use the check button to see if they've programmed the challenge correctly. Some of the challenges have an element of self-assessment built into the check functionality. Every collection of activities has an open-ended option where children can get creative and make their own programs for Mai-Z to follow. For teachers, there are worked solutions that include all code blocks to complete each challenge. These could be used to adapt the activities for children that need some additional scaffolding. Adapted code could be set as a to-do for groups or individuals. Using Mai-Z the MouseBot in the classroom brings many abstract coding principles to life, meaning children can see immediate outcomes of their programming. They're extremely motivating, engaging, and fun. We hope you love Mai-Z the MouseBot as much as we do.